Here in our Trailhead again, and I'm going to show you how to quickly rank up in Trailhead. So I'm going to go up here to Trailhead and let's click on Learn, and we're going to go to Trails. This is a little thing. If I'm really close to ranking up, or I just want to mix it up, get something done really quickly, I go here and look for, you can search or sort the trails by a few different things: the most points, the most relevant, quickest to complete, and newest. And quickest to complete will get you some quick wins, or it'll help you see what you're almost done with. So in this account, this is just a demo account I'm using for these videos. We'll find our way around Trailhead. We'll go ahead and complete this. It takes about 5 minutes, it says. And we'll click on this one, get started in here. And the thing I like to do once I get into one of these is scroll down to the very bottom and read the questions first. I even like to answer them before I get started. So what's the first step in getting involved in the Trailblazer community? Signing up for Trailhead. I believe that's it. Talking to sales rep, account executive. You can just sign up for Trailhead to get started. You don't really need to do that. Emailing Trailblazer community. You don't need to do that. Going to Dreamforce, you don't really need to do that to get started. So just signing up for Trailhead is probably the answer with that one. True or false, as a member of the Trailblazer community, you'll learn about a number of topics by networking with the Salesforce ecosystem. I believe that's true, but another little tip here is I'm on a Mac. I do a Command F, and let's search the term Salesforce ecosystem. As a member of the Trailblazer community, you'll also be part of this Salesforce ecosystem. You can explore the ecosystem and expand your network by joining groups both online and in person. You can learn more about specific subjects and topics. So, what was the question again? It says true or false, as a member of the Trailblazer, you'll be able to learn about a number of topics and network with the Salesforce ecosystem. So yeah, I believe it's true. So Command F, or I believe on a Windows it's Control F, and we'll go ahead and see if I'm right on these two. And I didn't even need to read through this whole thing to answer it, but I will often read through these, or I'll put the speak aloud to read it for me, or watch the videos. I've done this one before a couple times, I believe, and I'm just gonna blaze right through it. So there we go. And I also definitely recommend you get a system to post all of your stuff on social media. I think this looks great to add to your Facebook profile, LinkedIn profile. Definitely, you should have it on your LinkedIn at the very least, just to show all the work you're doing in Trailhead and how you're improving on your Salesforce skills. So go ahead and put this stuff on social media and make sure people are seeing, if you're trying to get into Salesforce or work in Salesforce, that you're doing work in Salesforce. And that's it, y'all. We'll see you later.